How to know if someone has blocked us on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to know if someone has blocked us on WhatsApp. To start, open your WhatsApp. Now, open any chat. Send them a message. As you can see, messages has been delivered. After that, try to call them. Wait for them to respond. To show you people, I'm requesting other person to block me. Now, let's try to message them again. Here, as you can see, messages are not delivered. After that, call them again. As you can see, they are not responding, which shows that they are not receiving our call. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel and get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.